Alright, here we go.
Right here, it's right here. Ain't like these.
We're doing the replacement. Hopefully it fixes the fix.
This is a 2017 Honda Civic. And what I'm doing right now, I'm removing the motor mounting. And I'm going to replace the socket right now because this is too small, so I got to get a bigger socket. It's common sense, you know. If I can do it, anybody can. So if you look at this one, see? And then you... This one right here. Yeah, okay, this is the last bolt we got. This is what's holding the engine right now. But you still can move it a little bit, see that? So the motor mount moves, but... Underneath, I have a jack, floor jack, holding the engine. So then we got two more down there. I don't know if you're able to see it, way down there, down here, way down there. See that? Can you see those two? One, and there's another one on the other side. Yeah. So that's all we're gonna do for now. And yeah, so let me go get another tool. So if you wanna stop it right there. Two bolts way down there.
If you haven't figured it out yet, you guys.
The motor mount is about to come out. This is it, guys. This is what we're replacing. We're going to replace it with a new one. And where's the new one? That's it, guys. Gonna go down to Silver Oak Killer. And this is how I do it right here. You can pass it right there. Oh, really? Yeah, so we're done. We replaced the serpentine belt, the motor mounting. So now we're just bleeding the cooling system since we opened it up. So we running the engine for a while with the heater on. You know, any air that got into the cooling system, we were trying to get it out. And that's how it's done. Part of it, right? We didn't do the whole thing, but some of it.